Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to explain you the concept of pH, that what is pH, what do you mean by the pH. Okay, so pH is used to measure how acidic or basic a solution is. The lower the pH, the more acidic the solution. The higher the pH, the more basic the solution. Means if the pH is below 7, it is more acidic, and if it is above 7, it is basic, and at the 7 it is neutral. It is the presence of H positive or OH negative ions, that if the H positive ions presence is increased, so it is more acidic, and if OH negative ions present increase, so it is. Then we will talk about pH and pH. pH and pH denotes the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen or hydroxide ion. High pH means that the solution is basic, while high pH means that the solution is acidic. Neutral solution have pH or pH of 7. pH, pOH, acid base concentration. Okay, this is the acid and base concentration in any substance. Okay, this is the chart for the different pH of the different substances, that is the degree of acidity. Very acidic hai, so this is the pH and pOH of the very acidic, then medium acidic, slightly acidic, neutral, slightly basic, medium alkaline, or very basic. What do you mean? What is the difference between base and alkali? Bases, water soluble bases are called as alkalis. Okay. Now we will talk about the measurement of the pH. We will measure the pH by different means, that is the pH meters are also available, or by the pH paper. That are the indicator papers. This is the type of the indicator paper. If the solution come at 7, so it is neutral. If it will go towards 14, it is alkaline or basic, or if it will go lower than that of the 7, it is acidic. This is the pH paper which is used to measure the pH of any substance. This is the pH meter which is used by any substance. This is which we dip into the solution, and we will find out the pH of that substance. Okay, now we will talk about the importance of pH. Why the pH is important for the person, for the pupil. Since our body is water based, the pH level have profound effect on our body chemistry. If the pH become too acidic or too alkaline, cells become poisoned by their own toxic waste. If left unchanged, pH might corrupt all cellular activities and functions, from the beating of your heart to the firing of your brain. If the acidity increase in your stomach, as you know that, so it will cause dangerous. If your stomach is empty, its environment is it become more acidic. Okay, so this is we can measure the acidity or basicity by. The importance of pH is that if the pH of the water is too high or too low, the aquatic organism living within it will be die, because in the high acidic or basic environment, the animals will not survive. Okay, now we will talk about the molarity. You already know about the molarity, as we had studied this topic in the previous chapter. It is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. It is denoted by M. Okay, and the formula is molarity is equal to mass of solute upon liter of solution. Now we will talk about what is the standard solution. The standard solution is the solution whose molarity or strength will be known. Is known as standard solution. Now we will talk about what is acid-base titration. Acid-base titration is the acid-base reaction. The solution of the known concentration is added gradually to the solution of unknown concentration. So as to determine the concentration of unknown solution, we have to determine the concentration of unknown solution by the process called as titration. A stepwise process. You will see the apparatus of the titration. This is the apparatus of the titration. In burette, you will fill the sample of known concentration, and in the conical flask, you will fill the sample of unknown concentration, that is acid. You will add the indicator into it, like that of the methyl orange, phenolphthalein, or any other indicator by which it will gain the color after the neutralization. Okay, then you will gradually add the base from that of the burette into that of the acid. When the color will be obtained, that point, that initial point is called as the end point at which the color of the solution will be appear. So that point is called as the end point. This process, whole process is called as titration. To complete in your chemistry copy.